You know, it's a three-way war, no doubt. There is the alliance that's there between the AIADMK and the BJP. There is DMK and there is the TVK as well. So right now we are seeing the war of words only escalate among all these parties.
In fact, Vijay's statement that 2026 elections is only between DMK and TVK has not gone down so well with ADMK and BJP. In fact, Mr. Nayana Nagendran, who heads the BJP in Tamil Nadu, has called Vijay as a newbie by comparing him with EPS. In fact, he has said that EPS has been a chief minister for 4 years in a row. He knows the ins and outs of Tamil Nadu politics and how many departments are there. EPS knows how to get the funds from central government, how much to allocate for education, for food, for electricity. EPS is an experienced politician who has been in power. How can Vijay, without being in power, even make such a sweeping statement, is what Nayana Nagendran says, essentially saying that Vijay lacks knowledge, Vijay lacks experience, and an inexperienced newbie cannot be making such sweeping statements that the election is only between DMK and TVK is the kind of statement that Nayana Nagendran has put out. In fact, the kind of narrative that the BJP and the ADMK is trying to spin around is that Vijay is someone who is sitting on his ivory tower, blissfully unaware of what the people of Tamil Nadu really want. But Vijay is here. He says that he knows the pulse of the people and he is there undertaking a statewide tour by saying that the election in the year 2026 is only between DMK and TVK.
Right, Anika.